All right, let's get started. So yesterday was basically just an introduction to the course, some of the topics we're going to be discussing, the assignments, and also a little bit on the agenda. So we're focusing on the first week this week. And again, this is a summer class, so it's going twice as fast as it normally would. And so today, this week, we're mostly going to be focusing on setting up the environment, setting up the middle tier, creating a simple client in the front end using just plain old JavaScript, jQuery, HTML, no framework on the front end, and a MySQL database. Right? There's an assignment associated with this, which is due next Monday. We'll get started today. We'll start working on it together. I'll get you as far as I can, and then I'll ask you to go on and complete the rest on your own. All right. Next week we'll focus on adding a couple other features, but implementing it using a framework called a React for the front end. We'll stay there for 2 to 3 weeks on React, and then we'll switch over to Angular for the last 3 weeks and implement several other features, student-facing features. So let's focus on this first week, and let's get started working on that first assignment together. And we'll introduce new topics, new concepts as we go along. All right? Awesome. Any questions from yesterday? All right. I've also made some of the material that is only available on Blackboard. I made it available also on Piazza. So this is publicly available if you join the class. If you look for 5610, 4550, anyone can join, even if you're not registered in the class. I know there's a couple folks who are auditing the class. You'll have this available. And you have a link to the assignment number 1 is available there. Although I can't say the graders or the TAs are actually going to grade your assignments. They're going to have a lot of work already cut out for them for the rest of the class. Also down below we have the syllabus, the agenda, and all the slides that are available on Blackboard are also available here on Piazza. To get here, you just go to resources, and if you go to resources, you have links there. And you also have some information about ourselves, myself, and the 2 TAs as of now. I know I have more. They'll be adding their info here as well. Okay, so you have all this information. Try to replicate with some of the what's in Blackboard over here. Okay. All right, so let's get started starting to create the development environment and starting to work on that first assignment. All right.